Hi everybody, it's Daniel Sumro here, and welcome to this demonstration of one of my favorite Amazon A-Lady skills. This is called ambient sounds. And you invoke it by saying, A-Lady, open ambient sounds. And alright, let's do this, shall we? Open ambient sounds.
Okay, here's ambient sounds. Welcome to ambient sounds. I can play many relaxing sound loops, like thunderstorm or rain, or you can ask me for a list. Which sound would you like?
List.
I can play thunderstorm, rain, ocean, babbling brook, fireplace, airplane, fan, oscillating fan, city, rainforest, train, crickets, frogs, bird, clock, cat, vacuum, pink noise, brown noise, white noise, wind, windy leaves, windy trees, rain on a tin roof, rain on a tent, light rain, rain on a window, distant thunderstorm, shower, space deck, hair dryer, clothes dryer, dishwasher, wind chimes, whale, windy meadow, heavy rain, dripping water, fountain, waterfall, forest night, washing machine, heartbeat, cafe, dream, blizzard, owl, underwater, air conditioner, cicadas, ice machine, lake, office, seagulls, womb, crinkling plastic, boat ride, highway, coqui frogs, loons, spa, Tibetan bowls, binaural, distant train, snoring, Native American flute, Indian flute, Gregorian chant, keyboard, car ride, creaking ship, rowboat, wolves, music box, lullaby, electric shaver, bathtub, draining water, buzzing light, peaceful, piano, India, sailing, harp, pipe organ, medieval, guitar, duduk, wind tunnel, flute, ukulele, didgeridoo, cavern, farm, truck engine, electric heater, radiator, lawnmower, panting dog, summer day, thunder, or a random sound. Now, which sound would you like?
Thunderstorm. And as you can hear, you're getting rain too, which is cool. Just as if you were outside. That is calming. Alright, I want to try something.
What other sound can I play?
Babbling brook. This is pretty. Ask ambient sounds to play rain on a tent. See, as you can hear, you can say, ask ambient sounds to play whatever sound you want to hear. We'll do one more. Ask ambient sounds to play distant thunderstorm. Set sleep timer for 30 seconds.
Okay, I'll stop playing in 30 seconds.
And when this playback ends, guys, the video is going to end. So, yeah. I'm not going to say anything. I'm just going to stop the camera. Aw, you want more? Well, guess what? There is more. subscribe to my channel and you'll get a bunch more. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you want to go back through the archives and see what other crazy stuff I've uploaded, feel free. Daniel Sumro is my name, and I hope you liked this video. By the way, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a good one.